AirCure's Mod 5 unit is a robust modular air filtration system designed in kit form to facilitate transport to difficult areas like underground locations by way of carts and cages. The AirCure Mod 5 kit will arrive on 2 pallets marked A and B. Pallet A contains your front, base, middle and top units, oil-wet fiberglass pad and trays, and secondary pocket filters, an inflow spigot, silicone, nuts, bolts, washers and a spanner kit. Pallet B will contain the following: the back, base, middle and top units, and the Mod 5's additional oil-wet fiberglass pad and trays and pocket filters and an outflow spigot. Together these combine to handle approximately 5 cubic meters per second of air. Both pallets will come completely wrapped, marked and ready for transportation to your desired location for assembly. The AirCure Mod 5's kit form can be constructed in series or in parallel. The units are small and can be managed by underground personnel. They fit together easily to form one unit. For the purposes of this demonstration film, we have constructed 2 units in parallel which combined would handle 10 cubic meters per second of air. Fans and silencers are attached to the top spigot, whilst the bottom spigot would typically be connected to a duct to extract the dirt and dust from the source. Prior to the unit being bolted together, it is critical to ensure that all the joining sections of the units have been liberally applied with a bead of silicone. Ensure that all internal and external joining flanges have silicone applied. Using the nuts, bolts and washers and the spanner kit provided, ensure that the units are firmly bolted together. It's quite simple. Each hole will line up with a corresponding hole. These must all be bolted together. Applying the silicone to all the connecting flanges and bolting the units together must be done properly to ensure the Mod 5 works effectively. The external flanges of the units also need to be bolted. Your completed Mod 5 air filtration unit will look like this when completed, with the middle section housing the oil-wet fiberglass pad and the pocket filters.
What I'm going to show you now is how easy it is to install the pre-filter pad into the tray. We start with the white side on the bottom, the blue side on the top. We lay it nicely into the frame and make sure that it's set in properly. Then we take the lid and we watch where the clips go in. That slides in. There is a groove. We slide that in. Then we make sure that the gasket is on the back side and the holes for your fingers in the front. And then simply slide it in. The pre-filter comes in 3 parts: the tray, the pad and the lid.
After installing your oil-wet fiberglass pad filters, you will need to install your pocket filters, which look like this. Release the slide clamping mechanisms by pulling both of them out. Ensure the fold is left over right before sliding the pocket filter carefully into place. Remember to lock the slide clamping mechanisms by pushing them back into place. The final step of installing the pocket filter is to hook the pockets in place. Each eye on the pocket filter will match to a hook. Once all the hooks are connected, your filtration system is ready for operation. Close the door to seal the middle unit.